Hello, my name is Abdelkarim Bamba. So, counseling interventions has been defined by technicians as a unique relationship between a client and the counselor, aims or which aim to create a change and grow in three main areas. The first point is personal development. The second one is social adjustment, and the last one is personal development. So you know that there is no need to shame in asking help for help. So, and there is many people who are qualified professional who are there to serve you in your personal and professional or family needs as a counselor, future counselor. So you can approach them to so that they can help you. So in this video we will review some useful skills and techniques in counseling intervention that if you are a counselor you are likely to implement, and if you are a patient you can expect to engage. So get ready to follow me to make this most of the counseling technique, the most one of the most important techniques in skills in counseling. So proper skills in handling counseling interventions. So we identify two main points that every counselor need to know to take in consideration. The first one is ethical issues. Adhering to appropriate ethical principles in responsibility and every counselors. So the counselor is a person who give information and insight into inner life of the client. So the client is often vulnerable and trusting the rightfully looks to the counselor for direction on ethical issues as a patient to the counseling setting. So this is very important. And the second point is confidentiality. Confidentiality, one of the most important aspects of ethics and counseling in confidentiality. So the clients often share with the counselor informations and aspects of themselves, and that they either rely often share, so or they have never shared. So some information that they have never shared to any other person. So it can be very frustrating, like frustrating to open oneself, and however fragile and trust. So the third point is the technique in handling counseling intervention. The first technique we identify here is fear of influences. This these assessment tools will get the individual to look at the area of their life and to see which area they are impacting or influencing them. So the person's job, for example, is to figure out which system in their life give them the most strain or the most stress. So the second point is clarification. Clarification, a counselor should often ask the client to clarify the what they are telling them and make sure they understand the situation correctly. This will help the counselor to avoid misunderstanding, avoid having to make assumption that could not be a good feedback. And the last point is the client expectation. So when a person enter, perhaps thereby they should voice their opinion about the counseling and their belief about the treatment in the beginning. In the beginning, they will be able to communicate and with the counselor and as to what they expect to get of the counseling. So this can be a counselor guide and direct them to in counseling accordingly. So to conclude, to summarize, it is crucial for a counselor to master a lot of skills and techniques that in managing the counseling intervention in order to effectively achieve the set goals. Thank you.